Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I will discuss about Saudi license exam SLE or how to prepare for Saudi license exam. Those students or physiotherapists who are just preparing for Saudi license exam and have their Prometric exam scheduled. So this video is for you all. So today in this video I'll discuss about the syllabus of Saudi license exam because I've received many mails about how to prepare for SLE and what's the syllabus for SLE, which subject should be focused more and which should be focused less. So this is the video for you all. So let's move towards reference books. There are 5 reference books. You have to just read that books or just go through these books. The first one is Muscle Testing and Function with Posture and Pain, 5th edition. Second is Clayton's Electrotherapy, Theory and Practice. Fifth is Tidy's Physiotherapy. Third is Tidy's Physiotherapy. Fourth is Physical Rehabilitation and Assessment and Treatment. Third edition, Tides Physical Therapy is the fifth one. So these are the 5 books you have to go through for SLE. As I have told about my pocketbook, that pocketbook is my personal book, and I have summarized many complex topics in very short form and enjoyable way. You can enjoy that book and yeah, enjoy your time while preparing for a license exam. So you can get that book by mailing me. Okay, let's move towards contents. Okay, the basic knowledge will be in Prometric exam of SLE 40% and applied knowledge will be 60%. So let's move towards next. What would be the basic knowledge? The basic knowledge comprises of 40% medical and physical therapy knowledge will be 60%. Now to move towards medical, what will be in medical 40%, what will be 40% MCQs will be from for medical, anatomy, physiology, and pathophysiology. Okay, let's move towards physical therapy knowledge. So that is 60% electrotherapy, kinesiology, hydrotherapy, biomechanics, therapeutic exercises, and massage. Okay, let's move towards applied knowledge. 60% orthopedic knowledge will be orthopedic MCQs from orthopedic will be 40%, MCQs from neurology and pediatrics will be 30%, and MCQs from cardiopulmonary and geriatrics will be 30%. So focus more on orthopedic. uh, so yes, this is the all syllabus you have to focus on. Just keep the screenshots of my slides here while preparing. Keep this syllabus in mind. So subscribe my channel who haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe my channel and follow my channel. Click the bell icon so the further videos you will be notified for the further videos. So those who are asking for exam material, please mention the procedure I have always mentioned in my each video, that I have mentioned that you have to send me screenshot of my channel with the subscription by clicking the bell icon and like my video. And for the Prometric pocketbook, you have to mail me with the uh, subject of pocketbook, subject with pocketbook. Okay, this is the short video. So this will I hope this will help you for preparing Saudi license exam. Or I wish you best of luck everyone. Thank you.